to my channel. Today we're doing an exciting challenge. I'm going to do a full face of makeup using only mini products. Before you leave, make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up this video. Now without further ado, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So me and Benefit actually had this conversation where they spoke about their stand-in 4 ways that has like all these mini makeup products. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to do that challenge on YouTube with you do a full face of makeup with minis, and they said they'll send me some. Let's start with this full face of makeup using only mini makeup. I hate it when things are so cute. So cute. So I'm gonna start with the moisturizer, which they also have in a mini form. Absolutely cute. I mean, this is just so cute. I love their facial products. I think I have the moisturizer in the actual container, and then I have serving or the hydrating mist or something like that. It smells like cucumber. It's so good. I mean, I'm taking all of these when I'm going on holiday. I'm taking all of them with me. This is the thing that just like gets me right. So this is the It's Potent Eye Cream, and I actually think this is so perfect for when you're traveling, because usually eye creams have such big packaging and you use so little product. It's hard to decant product, and this is absolutely perfect. I've never tried this, but it feels really moisturizing. Okay, let's get into the real deal. So we're going to start with our primer. I actually want to do like primer. I'm going to try and just use Benefit products just because like they have all these minis, and I want to really see if I can do a full face only using the minis. So I'm going to start with a Professional. Once again, this cute little mini size, and I'm going to apply that to my full face. This is one of my favorite products in my kit for my clients. It's just one of those primers that are just so good. Next step is foundation. Now obviously I already showed you guys these little cute mini Hello Happy foundations. Now this foundation is actually perfect also for holidays, because it's actually a very lightweight foundation and it really just sits well on the skin. So I'm going to go in with shade number 4, and I'm actually using my Real Techniques mini face expert brush for this. We need to cover this one. I see they sent me an erase case from Boeing. Again, their packaging is just so cute. I know you're probably getting, like, if you can count how many times I say cute in this video, I think this is like extra mind-blowing, because I have the full sizes and seeing these little minis are just like blowing my mind. It is just the cutest thing ever. Concealer. This is the full size and this is the mini size. And this is the big size. Okay, so I'm gonna go for Boeing because I know it's the industrial strength. All of them are Boeing. I'm gonna go with the industrial strength concealer just because I know it's a bit stronger and I really want to cover that up. I'm gonna go in with a hydrating concealer underneath my eyes. What's nice about this is like it has an emollient like around the concealer, and it actually hydrates your eyes as well. It's so nice, and look at how glowy my under eye looks. Okay, lately I haven't been wearing powder anyways because I've been struggling with dry skin, and I feel like powder kind of just makes it even worse. So I'm gonna go straight in and do, oh here we go, more mini. This is even more mini. So this is the Professional Bronzed Kit, and look at, this is the mini I used and this is the mini that's in the kit. I think this is the normal size, and then the jumbo size I actually have in my kit. It's like this big. So Benefit is like really giving you many options. What I think is cool about this is that you can literally buy the product and see if you really like it and test it before buying a full size product. And if you love it, girl, you can go for your big XL size. High Beam. What's Up? What's Up is actually like one of my favorite highlighters because it's got like goldy undertone. So I think I'm gonna go with this one and just apply it on the high points of my face to highlight. We need to add some color to our face. Now we have Go-Go Tint and we have Bennett Tint. So both of these are lip and cheek stains. Now the funny story, I'm not sure if it's with Go-Go Tint or Bennett Tint. No, I think it's Bennett Tint. I think this one, right? I believe it was actually used by an exotic dancer who applied it to her nipples. I don't know if that is the truth, but that's true. So I think I'm gonna go for Go-Go Tint. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Now once again, what's nice about this is that it's a lip stain as well. But I'm gonna see if there's something else for my lips, because I prefer more of a lipstick to a lip stain. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Here we have another kit. This is the world famous lips posy kit. So here we have some mini lippies, and we also have this is a full size posy tint. It's so pretty, but I cannot use it because it's full size. But it's got like this beautiful bubblegum pink. Absolutely love this. I'll probably use this almost every day. And then we have these two lippies. Look at this one. They're giving me such feelings, you know, when you see like a room full of puppies. It's like that feeling that is overtaking me right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna bronze a little bit. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I need to stop saying that. This is even a smaller mini. I believe these are also like a sort of mini ones. So I'm gonna use that one and just kind of bronze my face. I'm definitely going for a bit more of a natural glowy sort of look today. Don't see any eyeshadows yet, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna grab my blending brush and take some of my Hoola bronzer and just like swoop that onto my eyelid. Boom. The thing about having lashes on is that you don't even have to worry about mascara. And then I'm going to use a little bit of High Beam, which is this cutie, and I am going to apply like a bit of a highlight to my inner corner. Okay, brows. Her brow, which is one of my absolute favorites. If you've been following me for a long time, you watch all my videos and you watch my stories, you know that I love Cabral. So this is shade number 3, which is a little bit darker. What I love about it is like the little applicator at the end, so even if you lose your infamous brow brush, you're always covered. And actually this is a really good brow brush. I love a feathery brow, so I'm going to have like a defined bottom and then kind of feather it upwards. Really, my shade is number 2, but I'm gonna make this work. Okay, we're gonna make this work. I'm just gonna go in with my industrial strength concealer and carve them out. We are almost done. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a blush. Now they sent me the California blush, which is like a peachy color, like that. And then we have the Rocketeer. Is this a highlighter? Oh no, it's also like a blush. This is more of a deeper peach, where that one is actually more coral. This one is more peach. I think I'm gonna go with a coral one, because you know, I have blush on. But let's just layer it, because I mean, you never have enough blush, right? This is actually a really pretty makeup look for like every day. And you know, when you do your makeup at work or in the car, you only need like a little bag like this, because everything will fit inside. I forgot about this one, the roller liner. This is also one of the best eyeliners out there, and actually really like this one as well. Oh yeah, we have a roller lash mascara. They actually sent me one. Girl, I'm just gonna do like a thin line, because I kind of just want to keep this look pretty natural. let's apply our little roller lash. Roller lash is one of my favorite mascaras out there. I just love it. I've been loving it for years, since I started trying Benefit, so this is like bomb diggity. It actually curls your lashes, so the reason why I love this is because it really curls your lashes. So I used to use these as a combo all the time. I'd use my roller lash first, and then I'll go in with my daily reel to really like make them lashes pop. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna go in with our daily reel mini lipsticks. Now they sent me this really shocking pink one, and then this fiery orange one, which is called Flame Game. Woo! So I think I'm gonna go for the pink. I think we did it. So there you have it, a full face of makeup using only mini products. Thank you so much, Benefit, for sending me these products to do this tutorial with. I think it came out so nicely, and you can definitely create so many different looks because they have so many minis available. I think that's really cool. So let me know if there's other challenges you guys want me to do in the comment section down below. Please remember to like this video, and until next time, stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon.